I have this Quest cookie, chocolate chip. It's 4 grams of net carbs. Pretty nice size cookie. Got some Lily's baking chips. Just put a couple extra on top there. And I'm gonna use some keto-friendly marshmallows. These are Max Mallow. And we're just gonna pop this in the microwave for like 20 seconds. Here we go, guys, it's out of the microwave. I'm just gonna, of course, put some Flavor Gut. Okay, nice and soft marshmallow. The chocolate is melted. This tastes just like a warm s'more, and it was done in 20 seconds. That's really good.